Hey there guys, welcome back to another video of all things Apple Plus. We have a great video to show you guys today. It's not going to be so much of a tutorial, but kind of an informative video that I've been meaning to push out and to show you guys. I know between all the jailbreak videos and all the fuss that's been going on with that, there's a lot to be said about that, and I'll be getting to that very soon. But before we get into the matter, if you haven't checked me out on YouTube or on social media, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 2,000 subscribers. Let's continue to keep this train moving, and check out my other videos on all things Apple Plus. But let's go ahead and get into the matter at hand, and that is Appvalley. Appvalley, just like Tweakbox, just like Extra iOS, just like the Tutu app, they are a third-party enterprise application that you can download for free and get paid apps for free. And the reason why I'm actually bringing them up today is because they've had some changes within their application, within their organization, and that is the main creator, Colin. All of us on YouTube, all of the Apple tech guys that you see, ATV or Technotrend, we are doing our efforts to support this gentleman, Colin, and as he's moving from one different Twitter handle to the next and moving from one Appvalley website to another. Unfortunately, there has been some drama. If you do navigate over to his Twitter handle, you'll be able to check and see what's been going on and what's been resurfacing. And I'm not going to get into all that. That's not the matter of what I want to focus on. It's just how to get to his website and how to get to his Twitter handle. And just unfortunately, there was some drama. It's being resolved by him moving his information in his Twitter and his site over to a different website. But I'm going to show you guys real quick how to get that, and I'll be leaving the links for Appvalley in the description below. So if you are interested in getting paid apps, getting emulators, getting tweaked apps for free, no jailbreak needed, running the latest iOS, you can go ahead and navigate to these sites. Make sure that you do open them up through Safari, navigate through your settings, and download the application as soon as possible, because this application is just an amazing app. There is so much to be said about just the way that Appvalley looks and how it performs, and it has its own unique style to it. Now with Appvalley, there's one of the things I love about it is that they have this dark mode and a light mode if you prefer, but this dark mode I'm very much a fan for, and something that even Apple doesn't even have. I wish even Apple had their own app store to have a dark mode, and hopefully we get that in iOS 13, but even Appvalley is way ahead of the game in that matter, and they're just, again, an amazing site. And I'll be leaving the links for both the Twitter page and their website in the description below. So please download their application. They're just a great app to have alongside with Tweakbox and with any other third-party enterprise. They're probably really out of the top 3 that's out there right now that's doing a huge service for the community. And again, they're doing this without any sort of payment from us. Nobody's actually going out and giving these guys money, that from what I know of at least, and they're just doing this so they can provide a service for us that like to jailbreak our phones or like to download these third-party enterprise applications. It's just, if you get a chance, give these guys some love, give these guys a follow, share this application around, because there's just so much to be said about Appvalley. And again, going through their Twitter page, I'll make sure to link the correct Twitter in the description down below. There's been a couple, unfortunately, their previous Twitter page they're no longer using, and unfortunately the people that have followed that page need to move over to their new page that has been set up, because there's just been some drama. Again, I'm not going to go into that matter, but there has just been some drama that they're doing just a separation. So I'm putting the word out so that way you guys know, hey, follow these guys on Twitter, follow these guys on this site, because this is the correct site to download the Appvalley app from here on out. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you guys did, please like, comment, subscribe. Again, share this around, share this Appvalley YouTube video around so that people know and that people can get the correct links, the correct site for the third-party enterprise applications. But I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Again, if you guys did like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.
That means extra.